model, 63-plate Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 313 CDI spares OR repairs Euro 5 engine perfect bargain open mouth smile breaker trader special. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 151390. Engine, 2143 cc 651 129 hpa. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary: non-runner van has been vandalized. Main loom has been cut off, hence DPF and turbo is missing on the van. We have probed the starter and have been able to get the engine on and sounds fine. Grin. Engine is worth 2.5k. Gearbox seems fine, smiling face with hearts. Condition summary: bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition. Genuine honest work van. Features: 2 former keepers, cruise control, parking sensors. EU status: Euro 5.